welcome to my channel. In today's video, we have a Tableau tip on how to remove these ABC placeholders. So this may occur when we have only two dimensions in the view like state and city and we don't want any measure. So in order to solve this, we need to create a blank calculated field and then bring it to the text. So now if you could see here, there is no ABC value and it's a blank value. And then we need to format the table so that it doesn't look like there are two columns. And I don't want a row divider and also a column divider and reducing the band size and also reducing the width of the column. So now if you could see, it looks like a table with only state and city, that is only with two dimension without a measure value. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to Dataviz Tales with Kanchana for more such Tableau tips and tutorials. And thank you for watching and stay tuned for more such data visualization tutorials and insights coming your way. Please do leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for further content, and I'll try to address it. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.